Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we're going to make this cute pizza together, so let's start it. So for the base, we need to do a magic ring first, and then put our hook in, yarn over here. Then we need to do 2 chain, yarn over, this is the first chain, and then we do it one more time. Then we need to do a double crochet, we yarn over, and then put our hook into the hole, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here, we put this end to close the circle in the center, and then we do 2 chain. Here, we flip this one, and then in our first stitch is this one. We yarn over, put our hook in, and yarn over, go through first 2 loops, and then 2 loops. We yarn over, put our hook in the next stitch, and then yarn over here, go through 2 loops, then 2 loops. In here, we do 2 chain, and then we flip it. We yarn over, put our hook in the very first stitch here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. In our next stitch, we need to do a double crochet increase, means in the same stitch we need to do 2 double crochet. So we yarn over, go through 2 loops, then 2 loops. We repeat it one more time in the same stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then 2 loops. For our very last stitch for this round is a double crochet. We yarn over, and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then 2 loops. In here we do 1 chain, and in here for this round we only crochet the half of the stitch. We need to make 5 single crochet. We put our hook into the center of the stitch, just like this, only the center of the stitch. Yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then we just repeat doing it. The second one, then after the 5 single crochet, only in the half stitch, we can do 1 chain and then snip off. Then we do 1 chain and then snip off. Then for our second layer, we do a magic ring first, just like this, and then we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over twice. This is the first time, and then second time to do 2 chain. In here, we need to do a double crochet. We yarn over and then put our hook into the center, yarn over here, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here, we put this end. We do 2 chain here, then flip it. We yarn over, put our hook in the first stitch here, yarn over, then yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, and then 2 loops. We yarn over, put into our last stitch in here, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops. We do 2 chain here, then we flip it one more time. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops to do a single crochet, and 2 more single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. This is the very last one. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here we do 1 chain and then snip off. And then for the topping, we need to do a magic ring first. We just need to do 2 single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over once again to do 1 chain, and then put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet. We need to do 1 more. And in here, we do 1 chain, and then we snip off. We pull this end to close the circle. And then we just use a hot glue to glue them together. So this is about this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.